Hey you guys, here are the Kinglucky dual earbuds. Now, I have never seen something quite like this, and this is amazing. I'm an AirPod girl all the way, but when I got these in, I fell in love, and this is the case for it. I am a gym rat, always at the gym, so this actually is such an amazing product. So you do get the headphones that go on this way, like your regular earbud. And then this is one I like, because sometimes when I'm running or out taking my walks, I like something a little more secure. And this is like a steel material. And then you have the one that goes in almost like an earring. How cool are these, you guys? I have been so obsessed with this. And again, dual mode earbuds, open ear and in ear. I mean, you can't get better than this. So cute. It has a little charging port here. It does come with a charging cord as well, and really nice to keep in your bag. And like I said, I've never seen anything like this. This is so cool. You guys definitely need to check it out if you are into like fitness like me and want something that's a little more just a little more secure at the gym or for walking. Great. So thanks for watching.